Zebra finches are small songbirds that belong to the estrildid finch family. They are native to Australia and Indonesia, where they live in large flocks in grasslands and forests. They are also popular as pets, especially for beginners, because they are hardy, easy to care for, and entertaining to watch. Zebra finches have distinctive markings that make them easy to identify. The males have black and white stripes on their throat and chest, orange patches on their cheeks, and brown spots on their sides. The females are more plain, with gray colors in those areas. Both sexes have red beaks and legs. They also like to bathe regularly, so a shallow dish of water should be provided. Zebra finches are very social and vocal. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including chirps, trills, and beeps. They also learn new vocalizations from their environment, making them a model species for studying vocal learning in birds. Zebra finches lay at least 5 to 6 eggs in a clutch, and after a very thorough incubation, they give birth to about 5 chicks. Both male and female incubate eggs. After 12 days of hatching, the chicks hatch from the eggs. Zebra finches are happiest when kept in pairs, or groups of the same species, as they bond strongly with their mates and companions. Zebra finches can live for 3 to 15 years, but the average lifespan is 3 to 5 years. They are generally healthy birds, but they can suffer from some common diseases and parasites, such as air sac mites, scaly face mites, egg binding, feather plucking, and tumors. They need regular checkups from an avian veterinarian to prevent and treat any health problems. Zebra finches like to eat boiled rice. They also eat vegetables, seeds, boiled eggs. Zebra finches are charming and lively pet birds that can brighten up any home. They are suitable for anyone who wants a low-maintenance but rewarding pet bird.